नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग द स्टुडंट ऑफ क्लास BSc subject zoology. Today's topic is introduction about semester 6th, presented by myself Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. So yes student, in this third year BSc third year, we know that is they are consist by the two semester, fifth semester and sixth semester. Fifth semester is consist by two paper, already with this completed. Then today we detail study about the paper number. They are included by the sixth semester. Is the paper number 14 is the ethology, biometry and bioinformatics, and the paper number 15 then generally paper number 14 ethology, biometry and bioinformatics, they are consist by 50 marks. Out of these 10 is the internal and 40 is the external. Then paper number 15, they are included by the different specialization. So generally we select the paper number 15A, that is the aquaculture. They are also consist by 50 marks. Out of this 10 is the internal and 40 is the external. In this, that is the semester 6th is consist by two paper. Paper number is the 14 and paper number 15. So yes, paper number 14, semester 6, paper number 14. Name of the paper is the ethology, biometry and bioinformatics. In this paper, they are consist by the 4 unit. First unit is the ethology. In this, we know what is meant by ethology. It is also called animal behavior, branch of study of animal behavior. In this, generally detailed study about the ethology, history of ethology, and generally detailed study about the classification of animal behavior. That they are just generally animal classification of animal behavior. In this, inborn or stereotyped animal behavior. In this, that is it is also included by the taxis and instinct with the example. Second is acquired animal behavior. In this also they are include the imprinting method, conditioning method, habituation and reasoning. These different types of animal behavior, they are included in the acquired animal behavior. And third is the social behavior in the insect. For example, honeybee. Generally this first unit, they are about the ethology. Second unit is also the ethology, but this first topic is generally communication in the animal. How the communication is takes place in the animal. That is the different types of communication method in the animals. That is first is the auditory communication, second is the chemical communication, third is the visual communication, and fourth is the tactile communication. Second unit is the mimicry and coloration. In this also we detail study about types of mimicry, protective and aggressive, types of coloration like the protective coloration, aggressive coloration, and the warning coloration. Third unit of this paper is the biometry. Also in this detailed study about the biometry, that is the first topic is the collection and classification of data. Generally also we know what is meant by data, classification of data, how the methods of collection of data. That is generally method of collection of data, classification of data, types of collection of data, that is the geographical, chronological, quantitative, qualitative, continuous and discontinuous. Different types of classification of data we see detail in this topic. Then second topic is the measures of central tendency. They are included arithmetics mean, median and mode. That is also with the different their formulas and the different example. Also detailed study in this topic like the measures of central tendency. Third topic in this graphic representation of data. That is also they are included histogram, pie diagram, polygon frequency curve. Fourth unit is the bioinformatics. In this, what is meant by bioinformatics? How the computer and their application in the biology, what is the internet and their uses, World Wide Web, search engine, also the broad application of bioinformatics, and introduction to biological database, that is also the NCBI and PubMed. That these are the different topics in this unit number 4. So generally this paper number 15, paper number 15, they are also consist by the 4 unit. Paper number 15A, name of the paper is the aquaculture. There also include the 40 marks. Out of this 10 is the internal and 40 is the external. So generally in this also they are included by the 4 unit. First unit is the introduction to the aquaculture. That is also the what is meant by aquaculture, their definition of aquaculture, scope of aquaculture and importance of aquaculture. What is meant by aquaculture means that it is a branch of zoology which deals with the study of aquatic animals. They are found in those animals, they are found in the water. They are studied in this branch that is called aquaculture. In this also, that is introduction to aquaculture. In this topic we see detailed definition, scope and importance of aquaculture. Concept of types of aquaculture like the extensive aquaculture and intensive aquaculture. Second topic is the types of aquaculture. These the different weeds consist: monoculture, polyculture, paddy cum fish culture, fish cum duck farming, cattle cum fish farming, fish cum pig farming. They are include the different branches. They also study in this types of aquaculture. Second unit is the culture method. Culture method, that is also in this we detailed study about the pen culture and cage culture. That is also the construction, significance, or it is also called advantages and disadvantages of this culture. We studied about this topic. Second topic is the sewage fed fish culture, that is included by the composition of sewage, use of sewage for fish culture, fish species suitable for the sewage fed fish culture. Third topic is the man-made hazards and aquaculture, that is also include domestic sewage, agricultural sewage, industrial wastage or the industrial effluent. Third unit, they are consist by the 3 topics. That is the first topic, the characteristic of water. Generally we know characteristics of water different: physical, chemical characteristics, biological characteristics of water. In this also we did study about the larvaceous fishes. That is also called the mosquito controlling fishes. In this, that is the characteristics of larvacidal fishes. Larvacidal fishes in the India. Generally, they are the exotic species and indigenous species. Indigenous species means those species or those fishes they are found in India. It is called indigenous. And exotic species or the exotic fishes means those species they are not found in India. They are imported from the other country. That is also the exotic species. Also, in this topic, we see the larvaceous fishes in the India. Third is the role of larvaceous fishes in relation to public health. That is also the mosquito control or the malaria control. In this larvaceous fishes we found used. Then third topic, aquatic weeds and their control. The aquatic weeds and their control. Generally, what is meant by aquatic weeds? What is the types of aquatic weeds? What is the advantages and disadvantages of weeds? And different types of aquatic weed control method, like the manual method, mechanical method, chemical method, and biological method. Because these aquatic weeds means uncontrolled, unwanted plants, they are found in the water. So these also in this study the unit number 3rd. And last unit of this paper is the unit number 4th. They are also consist by the 3 topic. First topic is the culture of non-fish organism. The generally freshwater prawn culture, pearl oyster culture, edible oyster culture, mussel culture. Second topic is the mariculture. They are also in this introduction, types of mariculture, fish species for the mariculture. What is meant by mariculture in this study detail in this topic. And last topic of this unit is the government participation in the aquaculture. The generally ICAR, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, they are included as related by this active participation in the aquaculture. So these are the 4th unit. So generally the student in this semester, 6th semester, they are consisted by the 2 paper number 14 and paper number 15. The detailed study about this one by one topic in the next period. Yes, goodbye the student.